Next up, the stables warehouse key. This one is on farm, and we'll need to navigate across to the stables over here, which is a hot zone, and we're looking for the house just behind it. Let's get there. Right, making our way over to the stable over here, it's this house at the back that we're heading to. Usually this is quite a player hotspot, as of course it is a hot zone marked on the map, but upstairs, just over here, is a free safe that anyone can get access to without any keys. So coming to this area is usually relatively dangerous, especially if you come here early game. However, this room around the back is almost never unlocked by usual players. Speaking of, it sounds like there's one in this house already. Yeah, it's unlocked. Yikes. Okay, well, there we go, player down. Let's get upstairs here and see exactly what's inside. So you will need the key in order to gain access, but once you've gained access, you can head inside the front door using the stable warehouse key. You can head pretty much straight upstairs where you'll find a docks container on the table here, which inside of this, I'm pretty sure had this acoustic panel worth 3 grand, and off to the side, a toolbox with usually okay loot in it, nothing too special. There you go. And over here, a jacket as well, which may or may not have good loot inside it. This one didn't. Besides a bit of loose loot, that's pretty much it for this house. We can of course check downstairs, but it's loose loot on this table here. Inside of this side room, there's pretty much usually never anything really. And along the back here, in the kitchen area, there's usually nothing here as well, but there may be a little bit of loose loot. Pretty much the only thing worthwhile in this house is the dock box upstairs and the jacket over here. I completely forgot to record the outro, but anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.